Miranda sings along. Hey guys, it's me, Miranda. So today I asked on my Facebook what you guys wanted me to talk about, and someone said how to conservatively use toilet paper. So I'm on a potty right now. I'm gonna go some. Okay, so I don't have to do number 2, I only have to do number 1. So if you do number 1, there's little slits on this thing, and you just use one piece of toilet paper. Just like this. If you do number 1, wipe it. Sometimes it gets stuck to pulling on it. Okay? Alright, but if you have to go number 2, use 2 pieces of toilet paper. That's why it's called that. So here's 2 pieces, like so. Rip it off, and 2. Like that. Alright, so now you wipe. So then usually you have some poo on here. I don't have to do that right now. So then after you do that, fold it like that. Wipe. After you do that, fold it like that. Like that. Fold it. Like that. Fold it. That. Fold it. And usually at this point you're pretty much done. If not, just stick it in and hold it there for a little bit. And you can leave it in or you can take it out, whatever, but that way you help it from coming out more. So it's like a plug kind of. And then when you're done, you put it in the potty. So some people use more than that. I wouldn't suggest it because you don't want to kill people and trees. And then you're a hater if you're using lots of paper. So that's my suggestion for you. So there you go. That is how you can use toilet paper when you're going to potty. All right, so now on to fan hate mail of the day. So here we go.
Pumped out.
Thank you. I love you so much. So thank you for saying that. Okay, now on to hate mail.
Not a hatter, but video could have been better.
I doubt it. Just saying. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you leave a comment below what you want my next vlog topic to be. Don't forget, I have bobbleheads for sale on my website, so go get your bobblehead today. Okay, so bye.